Do you know what to do? Yes, he says I do. I do.
He sort of gets the idea.
Did I scare you? There's a card, but you can't read it yet. Get that bag, come on.
Now
What's in there? Is there anything in there? Look in there. Look in there. What's in there? I don't see it.
Oh, Aunt Di is so funny.
Auntie Di is really funny.
Really? Aunt Di.
That's the funniest thing I ever saw. There's nothing in there. I know, but I put something in there.
Says, I don't believe a word like that.
Okay, focus now. Focus now. Says, what are you doing? Okay, now your turn.
My turn.
Good.
Good. That's right. That's right.
That's your idea, boy.
You got it done. Come on, let's look in there. What is it? Oh, it's a book, he says.
No, he loves books.
He loves books. He loves books.
Do you want to know what this book says? Okay. On the day you were born. Yes. You know what happened on the day you were born? Okay, let's look. Let's look.
Oh, wow, that's cool.
Oh, yes. Colors.
On the day you were born. Okay. On the eve of your birth, word of your coming passed from animal to animal. The reindeer told the Arctic terns, who told the humpback whales, who told the Pacific salmon, who told the monarch butterflies, who told the green turtles, who told the European eel, who told the busy garden warblers, and the marvelous news migrated worldwide. And the story goes on and on and on and on and on. And it's just all about what happened. What happened on the day you were born.
I think that it's
Look at
It's amazing how a little child like that can be so attached to books already.
I know.
And know how
Really.
to
What do you
turn
think? Which one?
pages.
Which one? Which page?
I think it's a picture.
Page.
I think that's what it's got.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
While flying with sea
Color.
clouds
Color.
swell,
He's got
water drops sail to shore on a wind, and rain, you are welcome across the earth's green lands. That's what happened. There's a whole long story of what happened. I have to put my hat on now because it's no party without a hat. Careful, careful, careful. There. Hey, Darlene. Hey, Darlene. That's for later. That's for later. Are you tired now?
He said, I have partied.
Oh my
I
God.
have partied like out of my mind.
I'm exhausted.
Bill Clinton said